This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Settings, navigate to Update and Security and pause updates for 7 days so the upgrade download stops. Once done, set your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet as a metered connection to prevent feature update downloads. If the upgrade already started, open Services, MSC, find Windows Update WiiWaServe and stop it. This prevents further automatic actions until you change it back. These steps immediately halt the automatic download and buy you time for safer, controlled actions. Continue by enforcing which updates you receive. If you have Pro or Enterprise, run gpedit. MSC and go to Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Windows Update. Configure, select when feature updates are received, and defer by up to 365 days, or enable the policy that targets a specific feature update version. If you run Windows 10 Home, add the target release version and target release version info string values in HKL. Finish by hiding the upgrade package. Run Microsoft's WashOhide troubleshooter to hide any Windows 11 feature update entry so it won't reinstall automatically. Then restart and confirm in settings that updates remain paused and your target release version is set. If the upgrade reappears or updates re-enable, make sure WiiWaServe is stopped, review Windows Update scheduled tasks, and remove any conflicting policies. If necessary, roll back with System Restore or a recent backup. This gives you a clean stop plus a clear recovery path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.